I'm Natalie from Hobby Base.
Hi, I'm Sophie from Mermaid Treasures.
And this week's Let's Make It tutorial is a very special Hunkydory edition because we're using these brand new Perfect Paradise Adorable Scoreable screen cards. So let's give it a go.
So today we're going to be making one of these cards from the Perfect Paradise screen cards range. You can see we've got some really pretty prints, super shiny, really pretty gold details on this one. And today I'm going to be using this sheet to create this really pretty multicolored palm tree birthday card. So the first thing that we're going to do on this one is we're going to press out what is going to be the base of our card. So it's this larger one here that comprises of 3 panels. So we're just going to pop that out from the card. Now there are instructions that go along with the pack, so you can follow along with those as well. So here is our main card base. You can see really pretty, got images on all sides, and that's going to make a really pretty card that stands up like that. We're going to add a few elements to make it 3D. So first we're going to pop out these 2 matching panels here. These ones you can see are identical, and if we press that main element out, you can then press out the center so that you're left with a frame. So we're going to do that twice. I've got 2 frames. I'm going to stick those onto the front of the card, the side that is foiled. So you can see that this side has got the gold foiling detail on it, the back doesn't. So you want to stick the 2 identical frames on the side which has got the foil on it. So to do that, I am going to use some foam pads so that the frame will end up with a lovely 3D effect. Okay, so once we've taken the backs off our pads, we are going to stick the 2 frames onto the 2 end panels. So this is going to create a frame around our image, and you're going to need to make sure you line this up as best you can. That just makes a really nice, subtle 3D effect on your card. And on the reverse of the card, we're going to add a frame in the center panel, which is where you'll be able to write your message. You can see on the sheet there's quite a lot of elements all involved in this frame, so you can just pop them all out. There's a couple of sentiments in there as well that we'll be using in a moment. I'm just going to Again, we just want to make sure we line that up, all the edges match. Make sure you haven't got any foam pad showing through. Stick that onto there. That's your frame on there. Now we've pressed out these 2 elements earlier, and we're going to stick those onto the back of the card and try and line them up with the image underneath. Now if you wanted to, you can just glue these on, but again I'm going to use some more foam pads just so we've got this 3D effect running throughout the whole card. So we're going to stick these onto the back. So this is the side where you've got space to write your message. I'm just going to try and line up these images as best we can. Cut on there. Same on the other side. Like that. So now we've got a foil effect on both sides of our card. And bend like that to make the screen. So that is our card. But we have one final element that we're going to add, because we've got our sentiments. And we also have down the side of your sheet, we've got this narrow band which we're going to use just to keep the card together, so that when the recipient opens it, got a nice surprise inside. So this sheet has already got score lines marked down it, so you just need to fold all of those in, and we're literally creating a band like that to go around the card. So on the end tab, I'm just going to put a little bit of sticky tape, because we don't want this to come undone. That is going to sit on top of our card like that to keep it together. But one final touch, I'm going to add a sentiment, and I've chosen a happy birthday, but there are lots of different ones you can use. We've got one that says made with love, special friend with love, but we're going to go with the happy birthday one, and we're going to stick this onto the band. So I'm just going to put a couple of pads onto the band. And then carefully center the sentiment to get on there. And then this will then go over the top of your card. So I'll place that over like that. So that is how your card will appear when it comes out of the envelope, and there are envelopes included in the pack. So then when they open the card, all they have to do is slide the band off, and they've got a lovely screen card fold.
So guys, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Thank you so much, Sophie, for running us through that fantastic card. Super cute. If you like what you saw, do give us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel. Pop a comment in the comments box below. Let us know what you think of the products. And more importantly, subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest videos that we share here on our YouTube channel. That's it for us. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.